Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn portfolio with Adobe Portfolio easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page. Scroll down to the featured section where your portfolio items are displayed. Take note of the items you want to back up. Open a new browser tab and log into your Adobe Portfolio account. If you don't have an Adobe Portfolio account, create one by signing up. Once logged in, select the option to create a new project. Choose a layout that fits your content style. Return to LinkedIn and start downloading your portfolio items one by one. For images or documents, right-click and select Save Image As or Download. After downloading each item, go back to Adobe. Upload the downloaded files by dragging them into the Adobe Portfolio project. Arrange the items in your preferred order. Use the editing tools available to add titles and descriptions. Ensure that all content is displayed clearly and effectively. Preview your project to see how it looks. Make any adjustments needed before finalizing. Once satisfied, publish your Adobe Portfolio project. You now have a backed up version of your LinkedIn portfolio. Share your Adobe Portfolio link to showcase your work. Regularly revisit your portfolio to update and add new content when necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.